Today is the day where we finally start putting together the car, and Martin already went ahead and sent me the harness from a long time ago, a whopping 2 days earlier. Now with the help of a couple of friends, we're going to go ahead and put the harness on the 370Z and hopefully get the VR30 started. This is a video of our first attempt. Alright, well, Noir, so this is actually the most stressful day I've ever had with this swap, and thank God that I have Charlie because he's here doing absolutely nothing. And then Carl came to save my life because I got my harness back. It's take me with you. But Martin he overnighted the harness to the house, that way he can come over. Oh no, you guys are gonna get stuff in the motor, bro. You gotta put my super secured napkins. Martin's gonna come to the house tomorrow to help wire up, I guess, like the sub harness and then also something else to make the RPM gauge work. I don't know, but the issue is that I have to get this car running by tomorrow, and that's not gonna happen. So they are gonna help me, and we're gonna do our best because honestly, this is literally do or die. If we can't get this car back together by today, I cannot tune tomorrow. So
do or die.
Yeah, I don't care if it's in limp mode, bro. I'll go balls deep in limp mode. I don't care, bro. I'm gonna put the camera down, help out as much as I can, and then just start clipping clippies and call it a day, bro.
Relax, baby, relax.
Besides all the messing around, we actually, well, Carl actually did majority. Actually, Carl just did everything. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, harness is kind of messy right now. We're waiting on Manny so he can confirm on, you know, what actually goes where. But we spent quite a bit of work, and then we played some soccer. I found out Carl plays soccer. Look at that, bro. We out here like finding out things. You know what I'm saying? You know, Charlie had a little bit of work, but he'll learn.
Eventually.
So now we're gonna get focused on making sure the plugs are in the right spot. I actually want to put on the manifold already, and then also I need to put on the alternator. And I'm also gonna delete the power steering because the VR doesn't use hydraulic power steering anyway. I do have an electronic solution, but as you can see, honestly, I'm not worried about power steering right now or AC, so that will wait. The AC, the lines do make it here, but the AC lines don't fit exactly perfect to the bracket, so again, that will wait. We're almost done, guys. Like the whole key is to just get this car to turn over so Martin can wire up some things and we're good to go. If it doesn't, I will cry and shoot myself. Right, Carl?
Yep.
Look who finally decided to show up. Oh, look at this guy.
The pilot has came.
Yeah, the pilot's here, bro. What's going on, dude?
Smell coolant, bro.
Yeah, why does it smell like coolant?
Because I'm cool.
Okay, obviously we're not taking this that serious. Oh, Charlie brought chips. Yo, you've been hiding this for like what the freak, Charlie? You've been hiding this for, and you got Cheetos Puffs? What's wrong with you?
Oh, they're so good.
Of course, Carl wants to get a rip in his Z. Maybe we can actually convince him to get a Z. So, as you can tell, we are not taking this swap very serious right now. Oh, wow, this is, not gonna lie, bags are fancy, bro. Oh, yo, bags are so cool, dude.
Actually, free to get out.
What?
This video is sponsored by.
No free clout, baby, no free clout. Well, so Carl wants to just bang gears, and he wanted to get it on camera. I'm assuming so he can flex on everybody.
You already know.
Yeah, because Carl doesn't got a driver mod. We out here.
Just will launch?
Yeah, launch it. Bro, this ain't my car. Do whatever you want, baby. He gave you full features. Go for it. Bro, this thing started going sideways. I was like, if this wasn't Carl driving right now, my pants would be brown, bro. I was like, oh my god. All right, let's get back to this VR swap. Let's do this thing finally. Ow. Okay, Manny. So on a 1 to 10, how good did we do?
5.
A 5. Oh, like what? Like a 6?
You guys going good, yeah. Okay. That this goes over here.
Yeah, this is for the ECU.
Okay.
So we have to.
How did I do with the connectors? Okay.
No, you're good. It's just that.
You see those 3 right here? Those are the ones down here, right? The blue one. Yeah, but I couldn't get it in.
So this, where they go? This goes to the intake.
Okay. Okay, it was good.
This also goes to the intake. I believe this is throttle body.
Yeah, it's throttle body. Yeah.
This is throttle body.
Yeah.
This goes to the top of the intake. Probably too.
My only main concern is this shit right here.
I don't remember.
Because this one is down here. It's the connectors down here. Yeah. But I don't know. For some reason, it doesn't get down there.
Okay, so we need to.
Please don't tell me I have to flip it over.
Yeah, because you see how this switch is supposed to be facing now.
What do you mean? So wait, is the wrong side?
No, it's right. You just have to be like facing out. See, that's like gotta like.
Manny, I need you to quit your job and work for me full time.
How much you gonna pay me?
Bro, we'll talk about that later. All right.
I'll do it right now. Okay.
Manny came here, just kind of took a giant dump on all of us, bro. Bro, facts. He came here. All right, so now we got the plenum back, well, intake manifold back on. Intercooler is mounted, just like mocked up. And dude, like honestly, the harness looks so freaking clean now. Manny came through and just made us look so stupid really fast. But it's our first time, Carl.
He
it's okay.
did my stuff.
Yeah,
Made it better.
I mean,
But props to him though.
But you got it there. That just goes to show how knowledgeable Manny is. So let's hire. Look, bro, subscribe, like right now, so we can hire Manny full time. That's it, bro. Let's save this guy, bro. You want to work with me, bro? You know gang now. There we go, man. So we're almost there. Let's see how far we go, because once Manny gets this part on, I can actually be efficient and do something. So we ran into it. Whoa, Carl, whoa. Watch where you're throwing your nuts, bro. But we ran into another issue, so I didn't think about the fact that I don't have power steering right now. Like, I'm gonna have to delete the hydraulic one. And now we're gonna have to make a trip to the parts store to see if I can get a smaller belt real quick, because they close early today too, right? So we should probably head out. So now we finished social distancing. So thanks to Manny and a very long, confusing conversation and with Carl too.
To be honest,
Wait, you said
we just asked him like, hey, we need a hose. We need a hose like this big.
Dude, that
dude
bring in like little.
Whoa, Carl! I'm trying to not get demonetized, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. That guy was.
Yui here.
He was very.
He was. Yeah.
He was questionable.
Yeah. So we.
Mentally.
But hey, he did give us a good plug though. Like regardless, so.
Cause he couldn't count.
Oh, man.
You're right.
They look at the hose and they're like, bro, what the heck do you want me to plug in for? You know, he just plugged in 7.
So thankfully, I got a whole lot of hose, and I didn't pay that much. So
you
thank God.
Trying to get demonetized.
Oh no! What do you mean?
Hurry up, man.
I got hose. What's the problem with saying?
I got hoses.
What's the problem with saying I have hose for my fuel
I'm good.
and my coolant? I see no problem. So whatever. It's now, as you can see, it's getting dark. It's pretty bad. We are nowhere near finished. So
custom parts.
Oh yeah, a lot of custom stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys later. So Manny, how far did we get, bro?
20%.
What? 20%?
Bro, you put on like 2 connectors.
Good job.
What did you put on?
What did I do?
Yeah.
I stand in the back and
did a
drink and
one-hand
say
push-up
I did a good job.
Well, so yeah, we pretty much just only got the harness on, and yeah.
And you spent another 20 bucks.
Oh yeah, you know what? I didn't even talk about that, bro. Like, hold on, wait, I'm too dark for. I gotta get over here. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Ooh, look at orange, bro.
Dude, look how nice my nose looks.
Right? Wait, what's
Extra
oh, the camera. I'm so stupid. Pretty much, Martin just needs the harness on the car, which is a lifesaver. And this car ain't coming together right now, so we are not getting a real first start or anything this week, right? So, okay. Eric, what do you think? Compared to your VHR HR swap, how confusing does this look compared to that?
It looks like madness, bro. Like the wiring itself looks crazy, though.
So you're telling me you don't want to VR swap your Z?
No.
I'm starting to feel like maybe I should have just boosted to 3.7. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and wait till Martin's here tomorrow. We'll catch up then. We're finally here. Welcome to day number 2 of me panicking and struggling. And of course, Martin, I'm not gonna lie, it started raining when you got here.
Yes, it did. So I brought the rain, man.
Yeah, I think you did, dude. Well, I'm really struggling because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So thankfully, I have Martin here to help me out, and Cheyenne kind of doing half of nothing but helpful at the same time. I appreciate you, bro. Martin, actually, what are you doing?
So I'm terminating what's going to be the on-off connections for the harness with some Deutsch connectors. That'll let us extend the wiring where we need to, like a switch panel, so we can get it powered up.
I'm like, yeah, dude. What he said, man. 100% loss. I'm not even gonna lie. I wasn't able to get the motor 100%. Well, the motor's fine. Honestly, the motor's 100%. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's just I was not able to get the cooling system on because I'm actually missing a couple of hoses. But once I get the hoses, I can get the car started. Serpentine belts on, and finally all the tensioner, all the other pulleys were good to go. So Martin's gonna set it up so that way when I do have everything ready to go and it's all put together, all I have to do is just start the car. But it's just right now this rain made it very inconvenient. So we're gonna see where it goes.